Good morning, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson in Mathematics 3. Our topic for today is ordering numbers up to 10,000. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Debating prior knowledge. Good morning, Math Explorers. I'm so excited to see all your bright faces today. Put on your thinking caps and grab your magic pencils because today we aren't just doing math, we are becoming number detectives. Discuss the answer to Assessment 3. Here are the expected answer for Assessment 3. The key rules at a glance. Rule 1. 4-digit number is always greater than a 3-digit number. Rule 2. If the number of digits is the same, compare the thousands, then the hundreds, then the tens, and finally the ones. Rule 3. The first place value that has a different digit tells you which number is greater. Lesson purpose intention. To order numbers up to 10,000 from smallest to the largest and vice versa. Lesson language practice. Greater than use when the first number is larger than the second. Less than use when the first number is smaller than the second. Equal to use when two numbers have the exact same value. Reading the key idea stem. Order numbers up to 10,000 from smallest to the largest and vice versa. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. In your lesson yesterday, we ordered numbers from smallest to largest and vice versa up to 5,000. Today, we will order numbers from the smallest to largest and vice versa up to 10,000. Example. You will arrange the 5 numbers from smallest to largest. We have 56, 756, 340, 7,912, and 1,050. What does it mean to arrange number from least to greatest? It means arranging the numbers in increasing or ascending order. What does it mean to arrange number from greatest to least? It means arranging the numbers in decreasing or descending order. The expected answer is, we have 56, 340, 756, 1,050, and 7,912. Arrange the number from least to greatest. The smallest number is 56 because it has only 2 digits. The value of its left digit is 50, which is lesser compared to those of the other number. That's why it is the lesser number. Two 3-digit numbers, which are 340 and 756. We compare their leftmost or hundreds digits. The hundredths digit of 340, which is 3, is less than that of 756, which is 7. The value of 3 in 340 is 300, while the value of 7 in 756 is 700. So, 340 is less than 756. The next number is 340, followed by 756. Place 756 after 340 if the pair of the learners only place 340. We consider the two 4-digit numbers, which are 1050 and 7912. We compare their leftmost or thousands digit. The leftmost digit of 1050, which is 1, is less than that of 7912, which is 7. The value of 1 in 1050 is 1000, while the value of 7 in 7912 is 7000. Thus, 1050 is less than 7912. The next number is 1050, followed by 7912. So if we're going to arrange the number from least to greatest or smallest to largest, it will be 56, 340, 756, 1050, and 7912. Where the numbers should be placed in the arrangement, and let them explain why. I have 1099. Where should it be placed? It should be placed between 1050 and 7912. The numbers 1099 and 1050 have the same thousand digits, as well as 100 digits. So, we have to compare their tens digit. Comparing their tens digits, 1099 has a larger tens digit than 1050. The value of the digit 9 in 1099 is 90, where the value of the digit 5 in 1050 is 50. So 1099 is greater than 1050. This means we have to place 1050 before 1099 in the arrangement. Now, 1099 is less than 7912 because 7912 has a larger thousands digit than 1099. The value of the digit 7 in 7912 is 7000, while the value of 1 in 1050 is 1000. This means we have to place 1099 before 7912 in the arrangement. Numbers are to be arranged from largest to greatest to smallest. Simply reverse the order by arranging them from right to left. So if you're going to arrange the number from largest to smallest, here will be the answer. Deepening understanding of the key idea stem. Arrange the remaining cards on the board from largest to smallest. Good morning. Expected answer: if the same numbers are to be arranged from smallest to largest, largest or greatest, simply reverse the order by arranging them from right to left. Here are the following answers. Making generalization and abstraction. What does it mean to arrange numbers from smallest to largest? Arranging the numbers from least to greatest means arranging them in increasing or ascending order of value. What does it mean to arrange numbers from largest to smallest? Arranging numbers from greatest to least means arranging them in decreasing or descending order or value. How do we order numbers? One strategy would be to separate or group the numbers according to the number of digits, then compare the numbers within each group and arrange them according to the given condition, smallest to largest or vice versa. Evaluating learning. Imagine you are walking down a set of stairs. Start with the biggest number and work your way down to the smallest. Now imagine you are climbing a mountain. Start with the smallest number at the bottom and end with the largest number at the top. Answers. Good job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. See you next time.